Hello everyone, I'm Vishali, a tester. I have been writing at LinkedIn about my lessons learned in past few years as a tester. And today I'm going to talk to you about the challenges in work life. For me, testing is testing, women or not. Challenges are challenges, women or not. We are all going to face the challenges regardless of the gender. The way we have single mothers, we have single fathers too. Until you start bringing the value to the table, people around you are going to challenge you. Once you start showcasing the risk, once you start getting into the unknown and rich world of exploratory testing, once you start putting your day to day life learnings into the testing, once you start doing that, you are going to have a completely different perspective about the issues or challenges you face. Once you gain more experience into testing, once you do more hands on, you are going to look at the challenges in a different way. You will look at them as an opportunity to grow, to learn, to add more quality to the product. So challenges are going to be there. Every day a new challenge is gonna come. The pandemic happened without any prior notice. So if we can deal and accept the challenges life throws at us, we should be alright in dealing the challenges at testing. Happy testing, keep safe, see ya.
Hi all, I am Aarti Kulkarni. I have total 4 years of experience in testing and currently I am working in Pune. So first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to speak about the big challenge we faced in testing as a woman. And here I go. So I will start with the one challenge that I believe women faced in testing. It's finding the work-life balance. So I'm particularly talking about the married women. Yeah, I know that unmarried women has their own challenges. But why I'm talking about particularly married women, that being a tester and being a woman, they both are challenging jobs. Because testing has its own misconception that we all know that it's less valued and sometimes we fight against it and to make it more valuable. And the women, be it in any field, so women has to face their own gender based culture misconception. So leading both is a big challenging, and managing both is a big challenging in respect with finding the work life balance. So I have seen such example in my career. And so when you start your career in testing, and I'm particularly talking here about the work culture. So many companies have the same work culture for testers, that it's less valued, given less importance. And when people who work in they give their 100%, managing everything, they have to fight against to improve that culture. I will say not culture, but improve the testing, improve the quality. So when they fight this battle, testing battle, so they have, mostly women, they have the one responsibility battle going on in the background in a home. No, it's not similar, but it's a different one, but they need to fight both of them. And while fighting the both of them, managing I will say her own space, it's a very difficult and challenging. So there is another example I wanted to give. So many many of my friends, they are married, they have good experience in testing, 7-8, and they wanted to change their job in a, they are telling me since long that they wanted to change it, but they are stuck in a phase where they can't find their self a time and they can't cope up with the new technologies. And nowadays the testing has a different challenges. It demands the technical knowledge, management level knowledge, deeper technical knowledge. And they don't find that work life balance perfectly, or they battle with they fight with that, and so they can't cope up with the new technologies, and though they lag behind, and so they stuck with a current company where the same reason given to them, when the appraisal comes, when the challenging projects needs to assigned. So this it's a big challenge we face as a woman in the testing. um, so I will give you one example. That one of my friends, she has 7-8 years of experience. She's very good in testing. So company has offered her a good position of test lead, but I got to know that she has rejected it. And when we had a conversation about that, then she have told me that she got married and she had her own responsibility, and taking this position will demand more time and more focus, and that she can't provide, and because she need to balance it. Then I thought, is it fair, and that many women face this or not? So I have seen such a cases. So that's the challenge we are facing. And so that's it. So we need to, what we can do against it. So I will suggest we can take 5 to 10 times, 5 to 10 minutes, sorry, and we can try to invest, we can try to connect with the people, and at least we'll get to know what new technologies, at least we can find the better person or guidance over there, and we'll try to help out each other in that manner. So yeah, that's it, that's a big challenge. And another concept, I just think that this leads to one point, and that point is when people say there are more girls or women in the testing, and many people got offended by it, and they say, oh, it doesn't. I think it's a great, isn't it, that we more women do it, and women has a longest experience of fighting the battle of misconceptions, and that's what testing needs currently, such experience, candidates. So more power to the women. And another point I wanted to mention here is girls or women. I'm not talking about all the women, but few has habit to taking things personally. And so I will give you one example. I was listening one interview of a lady, so who has a who worked as a tax consultant and tax officer, in government, is more than 25 years and something. She faced a lot of challenges, gender biased culture, and then she said one point that I really liked, and I really wanted to share with every woman here. That she said she will tell herself, by 25 years ago, that she will suggest that we need to consider, do not take anything personally in career. That will hamper your peace, and that will make yourself in a losing side, even though you are not. So I always like that, and I always wanted to share it. So that's also challenge few people faced, few lady faced, and I am also one of them. So I really wanted to share it. So yeah, that's it, that's the big challenge we faced. Thank you so much.